Hi, and welcome to Best New Gadgets on Amazon. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 products that have been consistently ranked by my Amazon storefront customers. I'll be discussing the features and performance of each product. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into my top 5 products on my Amazon storefront. Number 1, the nearly natural 6.5-foot Golden Cane Palm Silk Tree. This is an impressive and lifelike addition to any space. At 78 inches tall, it has multiple trunks that are adorned with 333 palm leaves that sway effortlessly in the breeze. This silk palm tree is perfect for any room, office, or any type of decor. One of the best things about this palm tree is that it requires no maintenance or watering, yet looks full and fresh every day. Simply wipe clean with a soft dry cloth to keep it looking its best. I keep my palm tree in the master bath near the tub and love how it incorporates a lush spa-like feel. The Avalon self-cleaning water cooler and dispenser offers water that's hot, cold, and room temperature. And the piping hot output is great for coffee or tea and for making instant soups. Some of the features I like are that it has a built-in night light, an empty bottle indicator light for when the bottle needs to be replaced. The dispenser is bottom loading, which eliminates heavy lifting, and you can use 3 to 5 gallon water bottles. Also, the dispenser is self-cleaning that ensures longer water purification. This feature helps keep the water dispenser clean and free of bacteria and other contaminants. Overall, we love it. It's super simple to use, no leaks, no noise, and we always have hot and cold water whenever we need it. We've had our water cooler since 2019 with no problems. The Bosch Bulldog Extreme Rotary Hammer is an excellent tool for concrete and masonry drilling applications. This tool features rotation only, rotary hammer, and hammer only modes. The variable speed trigger with reverse makes it easy to start drilling with accuracy. Also, it uses a power cord, it's lightweight, and it's simple to operate for in-house and outside drilling. Overall, the Bosch Bulldog Extreme Rotary Hammer is a versatile, powerful, and ergonomic tool that's perfect for heavy-duty projects. We've used this tool when hanging mirrors and fireplace mantles in stone, rock, brick, and concrete. We love it. The original Bog Bag, extra large size, is made of durable EVA material, equipped with sturdy sides, and features a treaded non-slip bottom. The bag has soft shoulder straps for easy carrying and is customizable with bog bits. The bag's unique design is tip-proof, making it perfect for use on boats or while camping. One of the best features of the Bog Bag is that it's waterproof and washable. This makes it ideal for use at the beach, pool, or lake, where wet items can be easily stored without fear of damage to the bag. It's also great for use at markets, picnics, and sporting events. The bag is available in a variety of colors and patterns, so you can choose the one that suits your style. My Bog Bag is called Blue Eyed. I love my Bog Bag for its extra large size. It carries enough stuff inside for 4 people. You can put all your stuff, your drinks, your sunscreen, beach towels, all your stuff, as you can see in the video. And it's pretty lightweight, but it is sturdy, so you can take it with you anywhere. The Rockland London Hardside Spinner Wheel Luggage Set comes with 3 different sizes of suitcases: a carry-on upright with wheels, a 24-inch upright, and a 28-inch upright. The set is perfect for any type of travel and offers lots of space for all your belongings. It's made of lightweight yet durable ABS material, and these suitcases are built to last. The multi-directional double spinner wheels make maneuvering through airports and parking lots a breeze. The interior of each suitcase features a mesh zip pocket and elasticized pocket, making it easy to keep your belongings organized and secure during travel. Additionally, the suitcases are expandable, providing even more room if your items need it. Overall, this is an excellent choice if you're looking for durable, spacious, and stylish suitcases. The set is easy to handle, offers ample space for all your stuff, and comes in lots of different colors. My set is the champagne colored, and I've already used it on 3 trips. I love the color and the smoothness of the wheels. Okay, that's it for my review of the top 5 products that have been consistently ranked by my Amazon storefront customers. Thanks for watching.